Ever wondered what Elon Musk's biggest problems have been during his career? In the next few seconds, you'll learn about the challenges faced by this tech mogul. First, there were funding issues at SpaceX. He almost ran out of money before a crucial launch. Tesla faced massive production delays with the Model 3. Many doubted the company would survive. Musk also struggled with regulatory hurdles. His plans for self-driving cars hit legal roadblocks. There were times when personal stress took a toll. He has openly talked about the pressure and sleepless nights. Yet, he persisted and overcame these obstacles. His journey proves that every success story has its share of struggles. Hit the like button if you found this useful. Subscribe for more insights into the lives of top innovators.